never stop. No matter what you do, the rain will never stop. Never ever will it stop. Whatever you do will go nowhere but tortoise. Trees are crying, and sky isn't pain. Birds are suffering, animals are encaged. People are shouting, but in vain. The rain will never stop. No face to be seen of the mighty sun, no noises of summer, no glow of colors. Only and only rain, thunder and lightning. All around the grey, dull, smelly cover. Poor children running, mere kids spilling out of their schools, looking wretchedly towards the sky. When will the rain stop? Their plea, which was earlier heard by someone, are now only ringing like insect clings on the back.